It's going to be way stronger than the other one?
A little bit.
Should I do just 3?
Do 5. You can even do 5.
Is it going to be so strong I can accidentally let go of the gun?
No.
Okay.
You got to be a retard to let go of the gun. On second thought, it's possible. I'm playing. This one you're going to have to check. Put your target out first. Bring it, yeah.
There? Or closer? Okay, so now what?
You're going to have to chamber it. Yep. It's ready.
Oh, we're all...
It's business time.
Actually better. A lot of those are starting.
Like I showed you. There you go.
Like that?
Yes.
Oh, I'm scared.
Oh, you're fine. Just do it. Pretty good, Joe.
Yeah, that's way stronger.
Don't worry.